morning to all of you. Welcome to Zoom Technical Campus. So, from last four videos, we are discussing third year subject as per the respective syllabus. Subject is ISE, that is the Information System and Engineering Economics. So, we are discussing this subject, and in the last video, we have discussed about the IT security and the control. This is a topic from unit number 2. We have discussed this from the unit number 2. That is already I told you. That is MIS. That is Management Information System. So from this MIS, till now we have discussed according to the syllabus, that is what is the MIS, concept of MIS, information system, collection of data, managing that data, creating is not a problem. These are the things. Why we need to manage it? Because we want the right information with a short period of time, means quick response. These are the basic keywords we already discussed it. So what is the MIS? The basic concept we know it. The second point is ethical and social issues. That also we have discussed, that there are some ethics and social points of view while using the social media in a society, in a environment like Facebook, WhatsApp. Then there are some ethics and social issues we need to follow. Then the third point was that we have discussed, that is IT security and control. Okay, that firewall, internet security, and hardware security, gateways, and we need to control the data access by the unauthorized persons, unauthorized users. So these are the some points we have discussed in last four lectures. Today we are going to the new topic, that is the IT infrastructure and choices. So what it means? So when we are talking about the MIS, managing the information system, needs some infrastructure built up, that may be the hardware infrastructure, that may be the software infrastructure. So when we say infra for the IT, when we say infra for the IT, that is maybe a hardware platform, that is maybe a software platform. Again, that we can say it in a simple way, that you have heard about the word ERP and SAP. So what is this? This is the software platform. And whatever the networking devices, PC systems, that comes under hardware platform. So there are hardware platforms using the computer systems, employees, setup of the company, IT-based industry. Then you need a hardware platform. You need devices like routers, gateways. You need devices. You need PC systems upgraded with new operating systems, current operating systems. At the same time, there are some software platforms that becomes a part of IT infra, that is the ERP, that is the Enterprise Resource Planning. And then that is SAP, System Application Programs, or Software Application Programs in IT words. So when we talk about the any software platform, when we talk about the any hardware platform, that build the infra of the particular IT industry, then we need to take care about the investment. How much you are investing on the infrastructure. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि आप बहुत ज़्यादा इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हो, यू आर सिंपली गिविंग द इनपुट्स एंड यू आर नॉट गेटिंग द दैट मच प्रॉफिट, दैट मच बेनिफिट्स. So that is the point to be discussed. So how much you are investing on your infrastructure, that becomes the choices. So nowadays people are working from home, so no need to invest so much on the physical infrastructure. People can work from their home, so no need to invest in a big offices, big setups. So that is your choices, how much you are investing. So investing should be less than profit. So how much you are getting from your IT business, from your IT organization, that leads to the investment. अगर आपको प्रॉफिट ही कम हो रहा है, you are going to invest so much in your industry. Okay, so these are the some points that we need to take care while talking or while discussing about the IT infrastructure and choices. Let's we go to the some PPTs. I'm going to show you. So when we talk about the IT infrastructure and choices, so these are the some points. So very first, what is the infrastructure in a according to your book definition? So infrastructure in a IT, that is the internet, in information technology on the internet. The infrastructure is a physical hardware to interconnect computers and users. So that is the thing. Infrastructure makes the hardware, infrastructure makes the software. Infrastructure also includes the transmission media like telephones, cables, satellite, routers, devices, control transmission. That is also the part of that also becomes the part of IT infrastructure. That is the router, telephones, cables, antennas, storage devices. Nowadays, अगर बात करनी है तो we can talk about the cloud services that become the IT infrastructure. So rather depending on you, how much you are going to invest. Okay, rather investing for a much on the servers or the service cloud services. अगर अपना खुद का cloud server आपको बनाना है, so it may become more costly rather than take up cloud services on a rental basis. So depending on your profit, आपकी कितनी नीड है और आपको कितना प्रॉफिट वहाँ से मिल रहा है, accordingly you have to decide whether you are going to use the cloud services on rental basis or whether you are going to manage your own cloud server, okay, or you are going to build up your own cloud server. So how much you are going to invest on that point, it needs to decide. So infrastructure also includes software used to send, receive, manage the signals that are transmitted. That is the simple way. इतना ही कह रहे हैं कि that is using the sender and receivers. Okay, that are also become the part of your infra. Information technology infrastructure also includes the data centers, जैसे कि cloud servers की अभी बात की हमने, computer networks, data management systems like ERP softwares, enterprise resource planning, infrastructure components. Okay, this is the complete software and hardware platforms. When we talk about the, let's talk about the internet platforms. So what kinds of internet platform? That is the you are going to use the Cisco, Java, Apache, Microsoft.NET. Or when we talk about the computer hardware, then that thing depends. Different platforms like Dell, IBM. Okay, operating system is also the part of software platforms like the IT infrastructure ecosystem. So this particular diagram will explain all the things that we need. That is, we need the internet platforms, we need the computer hardware platforms, that is the Dell computers, IBM computers, HP, Apple computers, whatever you are buying for your industry. Then the operating system, that also becomes the IT infrastructure part, that is Linux, US, Unix. Then enterprise software systems, जैसे कि अभी बात की हमने ERP, SAP, Oracle, Microsoft, DBA, that is database system, networking, Linux, Novell, Cisco, then consulting and system integration, then data management and storage, that is the Oracle, DBS, SQL servers. So these all the things combinedly form the IT infrastructure that includes some hardware components, that includes some software components. So computer hardware platforms, computer operating system platform, enterprise resource planning, that is platform, database management and storage, cloud की जैसे बात की, then another word is that comes that the SAN. SAN stands for storage area network. Okay, that is a SAN. So storage area network, that is includes your Apache server, cloud servers, then networking and telecommunication platforms, internet platforms, then consulting and system integration services. That you are may going to use some consultant for some part of your company to work from external vendors, from external clients. तो आप अपने कंपनी के कुछ काम जो बाहरी कंसल्टेंट्स को देना चाहते हो, दैट also become one part of your infrastructure. You are giving some modules to build and to maintain to some external consultancy, then that particular firm will become your infrastructure part. Managing wise infrastructure investment, so that is the important point that I have discussed in the very starting. Investment should be less than the profit. So wise infrastructure investment. So you should take care about the ideal and the financial performance of your business. Okay. If too little is spent, important business services cannot be delivered, and firms' competitors will outperform in the investing firms. So ऐसा भी नहीं होना चाहिए कि आप सर्विसेज अच्छी दे रहे हो, देने के लिए पैसा बचा रहे हो, if you are पैसा बचा रहे हो तो आप सर्विसेज अच्छी नहीं दे पा रहे हो. So that should not be there. So investment point of view and the service quality point of view, you need to think. That is a wise decision to be taken by infrastructure investment. Database management system, that is a big part while storing the huge data, big data in IT environment. They keep track of basic transactions, provide information to the company on a fast run basis, help manager and employees make better decisions. So if your database records are managing correctly and speedy decisions can be possible if you have a very proper scheduling of your data in your data records in your database. So data warehouse, for that what we need to use, we can use the data warehousing, business intelligence, OLAP, that is online analytical processing, data mining. So data mining, data processing, all these things will help for the client, for the managers to take the quick decisions. Okay. Then predictive analysis means taking the decisions before or very starting of the process. So what kinds of different networks that become the part of IT infrastructure? That is the LAN, MAN, WAN. You already know these words. Local area network, metropolitan, wide area network, SAN, that is the storage area network, campus area network. So again, there are transmission media. That is I taken that word. That is the antennas. Okay, so transmission media is broadly classified into two groups. That may be the wired transmission media, that is we are saying the wired connections, fiber optic connections, and the wireless media, that is through routers. Okay, so these components, hardware components, also the part of IT infrastructure. So these transmission media are the pathway for the carriage of the information from sender to the receiver, and we use different types of cables and waves while transmitting this data. So while transmitting the data from sender to the receiver, so transmission media may be the wired media, transmission media may be the unwired or the wireless media. When we say wired media, so it is a physical wired connection, fiber optic connections, and when we say wireless, then it is a router, wire routers. So internet transmission is there. So internet-based communication tools that we already discussed, that is online chatting, networking, voice chatting. So this is also the part of internet data sending from one end to the another end. That is one sender to the from sender to the user. So this is the sentence of the Dean Hulpik, who is expert in networking. He said that networking is an investment in your business. It takes time, and when done correctly, can yield great result for years to come. तो इसका सीधा सा मतलब ये है कि नेटवर्किंग वो इन्वेस्टमेंट है आपके बिजनेस के लिए, अगर आप उसको ठीक से करते हो, इट गिव्स अ वेरी ग्रेट रिजल्ट. So in a simple way, when we talk about the networking, then we need to talk about the, अगर इसकी मुझे बात करनी है तो मुझे very first thing I need to tell you और उसके बारे में बात करनी चाहिए, that is the Amazon. So what is Amazon? Nowadays we know that Amazon एक केवल प्लेटफॉर्म था, इंटरनेट का ऑलरेडी एस्टैब्लिश प्लेटफॉर्म था. सो जेफ बेजोस यूज इट, ओके, एंड ही सिंपली यूज इट टू सेल द प्रोडक्ट्स. सो व्हाटएवर द रेडीमेड प्लेटफॉर्म ऑलरेडी इन द मार्केट, तो इंटरनेट का यही है, आईटी इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर में इंटरनेट सर्विस का दिस इज द बिगेस्ट बेनिफिट, एंड देयर इज अ रेडीमेड आईटी इंटरनेट की सर्विस रेडीमेड मार्केट में थी. So just because they used keep for selling the products, and now Amazon becomes the world second, or I think the biggest company, biggest profitable, and he becomes the second person in the world. So that is we are calling it IT infrastructure. So IT का जो infrastructure था, talking about the internet already available, तो Amazon ने उसको use किया to selling his products. So that's why the sentence is very important. Networking is the investment that we need to take today, we need to do it today, and it will end, or it will give the very great results in the future. तो इंटरनेट पे आज फिर Amazon है, Flipkart है. Now lot of thinkings are happening on the internet, selling product, buying product, everything is on the internet. And ये इंटरनेट का जो प्लेटफॉर्म है, IT इंटरनेट, now it will use a less investment for the infrastructure. तो आपको ज़्यादा इन्वेस्टमेंट करने की जरूरत नहीं है. You don't need to invest too much while using the internet platform. So while using the internet platform, you can do the profit, you can do the benefit, you can earn the money in IT world. जैसे कि हमने बात की Amazon की, तो Amazon is selling and earning a lot of money by the already established internet platform. तो ऐसी choices हमारे पास होनी चाहिए in the market. ERP सॉफ्टवेयर से, SAP सॉफ्टवेयर से. तो इन वेरी सिंपल वे, अगर आपको IT इंडस्ट्री के बारे में बात करनी है, कॉल सेंटर के बारे में बात करनी है, एनी वेब होस्टिंग सर्विसेज के बारे में बात करनी है, तो यू डोंट नीड टू इन्वेस्ट मच मोर, बिकॉज इन IT सेक्टर इन्वेस्टमेंट ऐसी कोई बड़ी बात नहीं होती है. इफ यू हैव इंटरनेट, देन ऑन अ वेरी शॉर्ट setup, so small setup, and with a very short investment, you can take up big profits. That is the point to be discussed in an IT infrastructure environment and choices. So, जो भी keywords है याद करो ठीक से. Either they प्रोडक्ट्स जो भी आपको दिखता है, हार्डवेयर प्लेटफॉर्म, सॉफ्टवेयर प्लेटफॉर्म्स, ईआरपी, सैप, अमेजन का एग्जांपल आप लोग दे सकते हो, स्टोरेज एरिया नेटवर्क के बारे में आप लोग बोल सकते हो।